How to withdraw money from Pandabuy. Let's jump right into this video. So first and foremost, you have to open a browser and you have to search for www.pandabuy.com. Now once you are in Pandabuy, here in the homepage, it will display you the Pandabuy balance and make sure that you have sufficient balance to be transferred to a designated account. Once you are right here, at the side you will see the option of reload. You have to go ahead and tap on the option of reload. Once you tap on the option, you will find the option of withdraw. Go ahead and select the withdraw bubble again. Then on to the next step, you have to select a preferred payment method. If you select a bank account, it will take at least of 2 to 3 business days to transfer your amount from your Pandabuy to the designated bank. If you select Alipay or PayPal, your transfer will be instant. Anyways, you have to go ahead and fill out the required information. Also, you have to submit some of the verification to transfer the money. For an example, you will be needing the account details as well as recipient details and also your social security number so that you can be verified. It will also send you an email address to verify that it is really you. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.